We've begun the disassembly of our Porsche engine, and what a better place to showcase this process than right here in our beautiful showroom. And just an update of where we're at so far in May. We have our classic radio done. Our chassis is completely done. We have the new spring suspension. Everything's been clean. We've got the car back from the body shop where they've done a fair amount of paintless dent removal. The car's seen, its dents and dings and bruises over the years. They're refinishing the bumpers right now. Engine parts are at the machine shop, and our tins are all getting powder coated. And we're just getting ready to get the engine all back together so we can marry it in this beautiful chassis and hear that flat six sound that we all love.